Good morning to everyone. My name is Ramesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Soundarya Institute of Management and Science. Now I am going to explain quantitative analysis for business decision 1. Unit number 4, measures of dispersion. Topic is quartile deviation and mean deviation. Last class we studied quartile deviation. Now we are going to study mean deviation. Here we are going to study mean deviation, definition, formulas, and merits and demerits of mean deviation. First, what is the definition of mean deviation? Here the definition says the range and quartile deviations are not based on all observations because they are all positional measures of dispersion. Here we are going to study mean deviation. It shows that scatter of observations from an average. The mean deviation is measure of dispersion based on all items in a distribution. Now the definition says is the arithmetic of the definition of a series computed from any measures of central tendency, that is mean, median and mode. All the deviations are taken as positive, that is sign is ignored. Suppose if you get a negative sign, you can consider as positive. Then coefficient of mean deviation. Mean deviation calculated by any measure of central tendency, that is an absolute measure. Then relative measure we can find out. For the purpose of comparing variation among different series, a relative mean deviation is required. For that, the relative mean deviation is obtained by dividing the mean deviation by the average. For mean deviation formula, for the coefficient of mean deviation for individual series, summation d divided by n. For discrete and continuous series of observation, summation f d divided by n. Coefficient of mean deviation will come mean deviation equal to mean deviation divided by mean or median or mode. This is the way the formula will be used for the mean deviation, all the three different types of data or observations. Now we are going to see next part, the merits and demerits. We are going to study first one, merits. It is simple to understand and easy to compute. It is rigidly defined. It is based on all items of the series. It is not much affected by the fluctuation of sampling. It is less affected by the extreme items. In range and quartile deviation, we have seen that range will be affected by extreme values. Quartile deviation is a positional values. So that mean deviation will be helpful for more extreme values. It is flexible because it can be calculated from any average. Because of that, absolute values will get, from that we are going to find out mean deviation. It is better measure of comparison. This is one of the better measure of comparison. Whatever we studied so far, like range, quartile deviation, compared to that, this will be the one of the best method to solve the problems. Demerits. It is not very accurate because it is a positional value which you are going to be find, that is sign will be ignored. That is the way it is not very accurate measures of dispersion. It is not suitable for further mathematical calculation. We are not using that much in the deviation in further statistical analysis. It is rarely used. It is not as popular as standard deviation. Standard deviation we are going to study in the next part. So comparatively, standard deviation, mean deviation is not that much popular. Algebraic positive and negative signs are ignored because sometimes values will come negative, but we will not be considered in this place. Negative will be considered as positive. It is mathematically unsound or illogical. So as per the mathematical concept, this is not correct. That's the reason we are facing this problem for mean deviation. Now we are going to study three different types of data. One is individual series of observation, second one is discrete series of observation, third one is continuous series of observation. Again I will remember you whatever we studied in third unit, measures of central tendency, same logical, same method we are going to be applied here. So together we are going to study mean deviation, standard deviations, okay, whatever we studied there in the previous unit, same mean, median and mode. Again we are going to study in this part. This series is called as individual series of observation. This series we are going to study first mean deviation from mean. So we know that the individual series of observation is given. We know the formula, summation x divided by n, sum of all the values we will get 238. Look at that, formula is summation x divided by n, sum of this 26, 46, 56, 45, 19, 22, 24. So total is 238. Number of values 7. 238 divided by 7, we will get 34. So mean value is 34. Why you are finding mean? Mean deviation we are finding through mean. So we need to be find out capital D represent x minus x mean value. Mean value here is 34. So we need to subtract 26 minus 34 equal to minus 8. 46 minus 34 equal to 12. 56 minus 34 equal to 22. 45 minus 34 equal to 11. 19 minus 34 equal to minus 15. 22 minus 34 equal to minus 12. 24 minus 34 equal to minus 10. We know already your sign will not be considered. If we get in the negative sign, we will make it as positive sign. That is the important one. Your D values are positive or negative is getting. All the values will be considered as positive only. That is the speciality of the mean deviation, capital D. Now we are going to find out absolute value of D, that is modulus D. Negative value become minus 8 become plus 8, 12 become 12, 22 become 22, 11 become 11, minus 15 will become plus 15, minus 12 equal to 12, minus 10 equal to 12, minus 10 equal to, the total of this value is 90 will come. In that 90 we are going to use mean deviation formula, summation D divided by n, summation D here 90 divided by 7, we will get 12.857. This is called mean deviation. So along with that, coefficient of mean deviation, we are taken mean deviation from mean, so we are considered as mean deviation divided by mean. So substitute, we will get 12.857 divided by 34 equal to 0.3781. This is the way individual series of observation will find out mean deviation. Here mean deviation from mean. Next one, mean deviation from median. Then next, mean deviation from mode. So all the three method and three different types, 9 problems we are going to study. Next one is the mean deviation from median and its coefficient. The given values 11, 6, 6, 12, 12, 7, 7, 9 is given. So this one we need to be find out mean deviation from median. So we know very well here we need to be find out ascending order because median we are applying. Median whenever it comes, we need to write first the given values in the ascending order format. Similarly, in quartile deviation also we have done in the same concept. So here median we are using, so we are going to find a ascending order. Then we need to find out median. Median in formula is n by 2th term because n is here even. So n value, how many values are there? 8 values. 8 divided by 2, it is a 4th term. So 4th term of the given series is 7. Therefore median equal to 7. Now we find out deviations. Deviations means capital letter D. Now the given values is written in the x. Then D will be written as x minus m, that is median. 6 minus 7 minus 1, 6 minus 7 minus 1, 7 minus 7 0, 7 minus 7 0, 9 minus 7 2, 11 minus 7 4, 12 minus 7 5, 12 minus 7 equal to 5. So this negative and positive value will be written as only positive values. 1 minus 1 become 1, minus 1 become 1, 0 0, 2 become 2, 4 become. Here we need to remember negative value is considered as positive value. Remaining all positive value as it is will be returned. Total of D value is 18. We know the formula of mean deviation. Summation D divided by N. Summation D is 18. N will be 8. Number of values is 8 here. So will be used 2.25 mean deviation. Coefficient of mean deviation is mean deviation divided by median because we are following median formula. So substitute 2.25 divided by 8. Coefficient of mean deviation is 0.28125. Here one more thing you need to remember. Coefficient of any measures of dispersion will come less than 1. Some cases equal to 1. Okay, that is a 1. In this way we can find out mean deviation from median. Next one, mean deviation from mode. However, the question is asking, you need to be follow according to that. All the three methods no need to do. Each method they are asking, we get to write. If it is not they are asking the particular method, we can solve any one of the method whichever we are familiar. Mean deviation from mode. This problem we are going to see. Problem is here 44, 50, 38, 96, 42, 47, 49, 46, 50. Here we are going to find mean deviation from mode. Mode, what is the formula? Maximum number of times. Here maximum number of times which number is repeated? Here is 50 is only the number twice repeated. So we are taken as mode is 50. Then x will be written in this vertical format, and then D will be considered as x minus mode, that is z. 44 minus 50 minus 6, 50 minus 50 is 0, 38 minus 50 12, 96 minus 50 46, 42 minus 50 minus 8, 47 minus 50 minus 3, 40 minus 50 minus 10, 39 minus 50 equal to minus 11, 46 minus 50 equal to minus 4, 50 minus 50 equal to 0. So this positive and negative value will be considered only positive value in the next column. D 6, 0, 12, 46, 8, 3, 10, 11, 4. So total of this D equal to 100. So mean deviation equal to summation D divided by N. 100 divided by how many values are given? 10 values. So we will get as 10. Mean deviation is 10. Now coefficient of mean deviation. We are considered from mean deviation from mode. So we will be considered as mode values. So coefficient of mean deviation equal to mean deviation divided by mode. Mean deviation value 10. Mode value 50. So we will get as 10 by 50.2. This is the way individual observation will be found at mean deviation from mean, median, mode. All the three methods I explained. Next one we are going to study discrete series of observation. Here also the same way mean deviation will be finding mean deviation from mean deviation from median, mean deviation from mode. Each one different problems I explained. mean deviation from mean. So given problem in this format will be as it is. We'll know that will be written as vertical form. We are going to study here how to find mean. So we will be written in the form 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 3, 4, 8, 12, 7, 2. So capital N equal to sum of frequency 36. So mean formula we know very well, summation fx divided by capital N. So summation fx is your 650 divided by 36. How do you find your f into x will be find out 18, we are getting 18.05, we will be getting as approximately this value. How do you find out? 3 into 15, 45, 10 into 4, 40, 8 into 15, 120, 12 into 20, 240, 7 into 25, 175, 2 into 30, 60. Sum of all the values 650. 650 divided by 36 is 80.055. Approximately will be close to 18. So we consider as 18. Then deviation we need to find out. Deviation equal to x minus x bar. Here we are finding through mean. So 5 minus 18 minus 13, 10 minus 18 minus 8, 15 minus 18 minus 3, 20 minus 18 2, 25 minus 18 7, 30 minus 18 12. Then we will find out the value of modulus d, that is absolute value. Negative sign will be removed and will be written as positive. 13, 8, 3, 2, 7, 12. Here the formula is summation fx need to be find. So f and d will be multiplied. 3 into 13, 39, 4 into 8, 32, 3 into 8, 24, 12 into 2, 24, 7 into 7, 49, 2 into 12, 24, totally 192. This is summation f into modulus d. So mean deviation formula, summation f into d divided by n. 192 divided by capital N, 36. 5.33. This is called mean deviation. So this is mean deviation from mean. So we will use the coefficient of mean deviation equal to mean deviation divided by mean. Then we can follow that. 5.333 divided by 18. Simplify, we will get coefficient of mean deviation 0.2962. This is the mean deviation finding through mean. Now we are going to study mean deviation from median. Here, another problem we are going to be explained, mean deviation from median. How to find? We know very well median how to find. We studied in the previous unit. Same way we are going to apply. So the problem will be considered. So 8, 12, 20, 25, 30, 40 of x value, f value 9, 16, 28, 46, 20, 10. So solution will be mean deviation from median. The given set of values will be written in the vertical form. Total frequency 9 plus 16 plus 28 plus 46 plus 20 plus 10 equal to 129. We know mean formula on median you need to find. Here when you want to find median, you need to find first cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency, first frequency of 9 will be written as it is. Next frequencies will be added continuously. 16 plus 9, 25, 28 plus 25, 53, 46 plus 53, 99, 20 plus 99, 119, 10 plus 119, 129. This is the way cumulative frequency will be finding. Now median formula for discrete series. Median equal to n plus 1 divided by 2th term. n here 129 plus 1 term. So 130 divided by 2. So we'll get as 65. 65 lies between 53 and 99. In that, maximum value is 99. For that x value, that is called median. So median we know very well. Based on that, we are going to take deviation. X values minus median will get deviation. 8 minus 25 minus 17. 12 minus 25 minus 13. 20 minus 25 minus 5. 25 minus 25 0. 30 minus 20. 30 minus 25 5. 40 minus 25 15. Then absolute value of deviation. Negative values removed and will be written as positive values. 17, 13, 5, 0, 5, 15. Then F into D. F is frequency, D is modulus T or absolute value of D or deviation. 9 into 17, 153. 16 into 13, 208. 28 into 5, 140. 46 into 0, 0. 20 into 5, 100. 10 into 15, 150. So total of summation F into D equal to 751. Mean deviation equal to summation F into D by N. Summation F into D equal to 751 divided by 120. Then mean deviation equal to 5.8217. After finding mean deviation, we need to find out coefficient of mean deviation. Mean deviation divided by median. Mean deviation value is 5.8217. Median value is 25. So simplify, we will get coefficient of mean deviation equal to 0.23286. In this way, we can able to find out mean deviation and coefficient of mean deviation for discrete series of observation. Problem. So mean deviation from mode will be writing. So vertical form will be written. Frequency total will be considered. It is equal to 60. Here we know that mode equal to maximum value. Mode equal to maximum frequency of the value. So here maximum frequency is 21. For that x value is 16. So mean mode equal to 16. Then mode value got it, then you can find out 4 minus 16 equal to minus 12, 7 minus 16 equal to minus 9, 11 minus 16 equal to minus 5, 16 minus 16 equal to 0, 25 minus 16 equal to 9. Then will be considered as negative values will become positive value 12, 9, 5, 0, 9. Then F into D, that is a formula of mean deviation. So 3 into 12, 36, 9 into 9, 81, 14 into 5, 70, 21 into 0, 0, 13 into 9 equal to 117. Then summation of F and D equal to 274. Then will be written as formula, mean deviation formula, summation F into D divided by N. Here summation F into D equal to 274 divided by N 60. Simplify this value 4.566. This is mean deviation. Then coefficient of mean deviation divided by mode. So substitute the value 4.5666 divided by 16 will get as coefficient of mean deviation value 0.2854. In this way we can able to find out discrete series of observation mean deviation from mode. In the way we can able to find out any calculation mistakes or any other simplification mistakes is there. Please consider concept. If you understand according to that, you can go ahead. Any errors is there, please let me know that what is the error it will happen. Remaining concepts are correct. We will see in the next video. Thank you for watching my videos. Series of observation how to solve mean deviation problems in three different way of measures of central tendency methods I explained. That is mean deviation from mean, mean deviation from median, mean deviation from mode. Here I am going to explain continuous series of observation. Same like that, mean deviation from mean, mean deviation from median, mean deviation from mode. And one more thing I need to be informed here, in the mean deviation previous unit measures of central tendency, what are the different types of class interval we studied. That class interval, if we come here, we need to convert into exclusive class interval type, then we can solve it as it is whatever we learned in the previous video. This is the problem will be considered of continuous series of observation. I will say that this is a continuous series of observation because of that interval format. In this problem, exclusive class interval type is there, so we need to directly will go to the solving of the problem. Here mean deviation from mean, we will recall mean I will find for the continuous class interval type. Here will be written in the vertical form 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. In frequency 2, 3, 8, 14, 8, 3, 2. Total of frequency is 40. We know mean formula is summation fx divided by n. So we need to be find that formula basis middle value. What is the middle value here? Because x will be fixed value, we should get lower limit plus upper limit of the class interval divided by 2 will get mid value. Here 10 plus 20 divided by 2, 15, 20 plus 30 divided by 2, 25, 30 plus 40 divided by 2, 35, 40 plus 50 divided by 2, 55, 50 plus 60 divided by 2, 55, 60 plus 70 divided by 2, 65, 70 plus 80 divided by 2, 75. So we'll get, along with that we need to be find f and x. 2 into 15, 30, 3 into 25, 75, 8 into 35, 280, 14 into 45, 630, 8 into 55, 440, 3 into 65, 195, 2 into 75, 150. So total of fx column is 1800. So mean we can find out 1800 divided by 40. We'll get mean value is 45. So now you can go for the mean deviation. Deviation equal to x minus mean. That is 15 minus 45 minus 30. 25 minus 45 minus 20. 35 minus 45 minus 10. 45 minus 45, 0. 55 minus 45, 10. 65 minus 20. 65 minus 45, 20. 75 minus 45, 30. Then here negative sign is there, we remove and return in the positive value, that is deviation modulus of d. 30, 20, 10, 0, 10, 20, 30. Then we need to find out f into modulus d, that is absolute value of d. F value is 2 into 30, 60, 3 into 20, 60, 8 into 10, 80, 14 into 0, 0, 8 into 10, 80, 3 into 20, 60, 2 into 30, 60. So summation f into d equal to 400. This is the way we need to calculate a table. Now we are going to use the median formula, mean deviation formula. Mean deviation formula is summation f into d divided by n. 400 divided by 40 equal to 10. Coefficient of mean deviation equal to mean deviation divided by mean. Coefficient of mean deviation equal to 10 divided by 45. So the coefficient of mean deviation will get 0.2222. This is the way we can find out continuous class interval mean deviation from mean. Now I am going to explain mean deviation from median. Another problem I have taken. The problem is marks and students 0 to 10, to 10 to 20, 18, 20 to 30, 30, 30 to 40, 45, 40 to 50, 50, 35, 50 to 60, 20, 60 to 76, 70 to 80, 4. Solution of that. Here we are going to study mean deviation from median. We need to find out median. Median means we know the values will be written in the vertical format, n value equal to 160. So here median format, so we need to find out cumulative frequency column. In this cumulative frequency column, how to find frequency of the first value will be as it is, then 18 plus 2 equal to 20, 30 plus 20 equal to 50, 45 plus 50 equal to 95, 35 plus 95 equal to 30, 20 plus 130 equal to 150, 6 plus 150 equal to 156, 4 plus 156 equal to 160. So this 160 and the total frequency 160 both are correctly is there, then we can say it's the value what we found is correct. Then median we have to find out, because the mean deviation from median, the formula is n by 2 term. N will be 160, 160 divided by 2, 60th, 80th term. 80th term will be calculated here. It is lies between 50 and 95. In that maximum is 95. For that class interval is 30 to 40. Therefore median class equal to 30 to 40. In that we can find out L median formula, L plus n divided by 2 minus Cf divided by f into I. So where L equal to lower limit of the median class 30, n by 2 160 divided by 2 80, Cf in cumulative frequency column previous value of the median class 50, frequency 45, I equal to difference between the median class 10. So we here the no places. Then next slide I explained that the finding of median. Now here we consider and will be taken as median value. Here midpoint we need to find out, because x value we need to get a fix. So lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2 if we find, then we will get mid value 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65 and 75. Then deviation x minus median. X will be 5 minus 37 minus 32, 15 minus 37 equal to minus 22, 25 minus 37 equal to minus 12, 35 minus 37 equal to minus 2, 45 minus 37 8, 55 minus 37 18, 65 minus 37 28, 75 minus 37 38. Then modulus d, that is absolute value of d, will be calculated. Negative sign will be removed and then will be written 32, 22, 12, 2, 8, 18, 28, 38. Then will be followed f into d. F will be 2 into 32, 64. Likewise, 18 into 22, 396. 30 into 12, 360. 45 into 2, 90. 35 into 8, 280. 20 into 18, 360. 6 into 28, 168. 4 into 38, 152. So total of that column equal to 1870. This is the way we can calculate table value. Then we will go for the previous slides continuation of the median formula. So this is the 30 plus 80 minus 50 divided by 45 into 10. So simplify 80 minus 50, 30 divided by 45 into 10. 0.666 into 10 will get 6.66 plus 30 will get 36.66. This is approximately that would be taken as 37. In the previous slides in the table we solved. Now mean deviation formula. Mean deviation equal to summation f into d divided by n. Summation f into d, that value is 1870 divided by 160. If you simplify 11.6875. So coefficient of mean deviation divided by median. Here that 11.6875 divided by 36.66. So we'll get the value of coefficient of mean deviation is 0.31875. This is the way we can find out mean deviation from median of continuous class interval type problems. Now last method of the mean deviation, continuous series of observation of mean deviation from mode. Here is given is a open-end class interval type. We need to convert as continuous or exclusive class interval type. Here less than cumulative frequency problem into exclusive class interval type. Here less than 60, less than 70, less than 80, less than 90, like that, less than 130. So here each class interval will be difference is 10, 10. So less than 60 means 52, 60, 62, 70, 72, 80, 82, 90, 92, 100, 100 to 110, 110 to 120, 120 to 130. In this way we are converted. Already explained that different types of class interval if it is given, we need to convert as exclusive class interval type. So the frequency is first value as it is, second value minus first value 16 will come, 56 minus 24 32 will come. Similarly we can follow 96 minus 56 40, 136 minus 96 40, 178 minus 136 42, 191 minus 178 13, 200 minus 191 9. So we can write separately frequency as it is. What we return is the frequencies are 8, 16, 32, 40, 40, 42, 13, 9. So this is the way. So we will be writing as in vertical form mean deviation from mode, vertical form written, n will be 200, sum of all frequency, then mode we can able to find out. So what is the mode here? Maximum value is 42. So model class will be 100 to 110. From there we found it the value of mode equal to 101. This will be explained in the next slide how to find mode. We already studied in the third unit also. Here is getting as mode equal to 101. 55 minus 101 minus 46. 65 minus 101 minus 36. 75 minus 101 minus 26. 85 minus 101 16. 95 minus 101 minus 6, 105 minus 101 4, 115 minus 101 equal to 14, 125 minus 101 equal to 24. Then absolute value of D, negative values remove, and then write 46, 36, 26, 16, D 6, 4, 14, 24. Then F into D, 8 into 46, 368, 16 into 36, 576, 32 into 26, 832, 40 into 16 will get 640, 40 into 6 equal to 240, 42 into 4 equal to 168, 13 into 14 182, 9 into 24 will get 216. Total of F and D values are 3000. Here we can calculate mean deviation of mode summation F into D 3222 we have calculated. Then we previous slide we don't have the place to calculate a model class. So there is a maximum frequency is 42. For that class interval is 100 to 110. So L value of the model class is 100. So mode formula is L plus F1 minus F0 divided by twice of F1 minus F0 minus F2 into I. So L equal to 100, lower limit of the model class. F1 equal to maximum frequency. F0 equal to previous frequency of the model class. F2 equal to next frequency of the model class. 13. I equal to 10. Then use that format. L plus 42 minus 40 divided by twice of 40 minus 40 minus 13 into 10. Mode equal to 100 plus 2 divided by 80 minus 40 minus 13 into 10. So 100 plus 2 by 27 into 10. So we'll get 100 plus 0.07407 into 10. Then 100 plus 0.747 plus 100 will get 100 plus 7407. So 101. That is what previous slide we used as result mode value. Now mean deviation will be finding. Summation F into D divided by N. Mean deviation is 3222 divided by 200 will get 16.11. Therefore coefficient of mean deviation equal to mean deviation divided by mode. Here mean deviation is 16.11. 100.7407, then divide it, you will get it as mean deviation equal to coefficient of mean deviation equal to 0.15991. Any corrections or anything, sir, please excuse us. Concept you understand, according to that calculation you check it out. Any calculation mistakes, sir, let me know that, or any clarification you can send a mail or you can contact me. Here ends mean deviation concept and explanation completely, all the three different types of data. Next video we will see standard deviation. It is more important for the statistical point of view. Thank you for watching. We'll see in the next video. Thank you for everyone.